You thought this was over? It's not over until you own at least 5 small keyboards, 2 of which you never use and 1 you haven't even built yet. I'm doing my part by showing you more eye-catching 60% keyboards that the owners have allowed me to share with you. If you're into this sort of thing, the best way to let me know that you want more is to subscribe and maybe leave a comment to tell me to stop flapping my jaw and get on with it. The poker is the off-the-shelf gateway drug of choice for many people. You can just buy it and leave it as it is. You're not going to get hooked, but then you see a key set that you just have to have. It's so easy with the poker's standard layout. GMK Iris isn't one you'll see all over the place, but you can still pluck a set from Zeb Frontier's online store, as they seem to have a bunch left. Do you even know what this case is? It might not be my cup of Earl Grey, but I love that it's such a unique design, while still conforming to the standard layout and just doing something different. Leave a comment saying how you think the name of this key set should be pronounced. It was like, I know how to say it, obviously, I just want to check if you do. Contrary to how it might seem, I'm not sponsored by KBDFans. I don't even have a t-shirt. This user went full KBDFans for this build, showing how easy it is to get into the custom keyboard game in 2018. They might ruffle the feathers of some vendors, but for the consumer it's hard to say no to the one-stop shop that they've built. I wasn't sure about putting this one in, since all the clever comments and puns had already been done on the Reddit thread. It's definitely a great looking, relatively low-cost build, with a cool keylorian and a nicely taken photo. I'm just not smart enough to find much else to say, and some low-effort puns just won't McFly. I think I've said before that seeing a set of round 3 keycaps was one of the things that made me just stare in awe when I saw them just after the original group buy shipped. This set is actually round 6, and it's looking as amazing as ever. Since a full set is pretty hard to come by these days, the owner got in on a group buy organised separately from the 7-bit one. This series isn't necessarily about keyboards that I personally like, rather to show what people are doing with their 60% keyboards, no matter their budget and with minimal gatekeeping. In this case, I actually like the colours going on here. I'm a fan of all the XDA key sets as far as looks go, despite the issues with the die subbing in places. Godspeed to all lovers of custom keyboards. Have you binge watched the other episodes in the series? Want me to pull my finger out and upload more regularly? Holler at me in the comments, and I'll see you next time.